If you own a home service contracting company, you need to start using video marketing to build trust and win more customers. Let me explain. The number one search engine right now is Google. The second most used search engine is YouTube. Who owns YouTube? Google. Video marketing is so important in this day and age. In fact, if you're not doing video marketing, you're going to be left behind because most companies are starting to realize that and they're creating video. But not all content is made alike. Daniel, what kind of video content do I need to produce? I'm glad you asked that question. Here are 3 different content ideas you can use starting today. Get before and after. If there's a dirty, nasty water heater or old system that looks like junk, or maybe you had to dig into the dirt underneath the ground, or maybe you had to do some plumbing that was underneath the ground, or maybe there's an electrical panel that needed to be upgraded, anything like that, take some before videos and after, and then put that together. These video editing applications are so easy to use. You can use it right on your phone. You don't need to be this digital expert to edit these simple videos. If you can't afford a marketing company to do it for you, just edit your own videos using free tools or even very low budget tools on your phone right there on the spot. You'll be done within 5 minutes doing a before and after. So make sure you're doing before and after video content. Number 2 content idea would be to make sure you do testimonials. When you finish with the customer, say, hey, you mind doing a quick video testimonial about the service we provided for you today? And most likely they might say yes. And then you could do something like this. Hey, Janet, we installed a water heater today and you were dealing with cold water, but how does it feel now knowing you're gonna have hot water? Janet, how was the service today? And let Janet talk about how she enjoyed her service. Hey, Janet, thank you so much for sharing. Hey, if you want service like this, great, exceptional service, we treat our customer with excellence, please give us a call. Done. Then you have that video testimonial. Imagine putting that on your Google Business profile. Imagine putting that on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and all the social medias of actual customers speaking about how they think you're awesome. You tell them you're awesome all the time. Have someone else say how awesome you are. So make sure you get video testimonial of your customers for those who will allow you to do it. And the last idea would be just share a video about the process. If there's a water heater, or let's say your HVAC company, you're doing a replacement, just share with them what you're doing today. Hey, it's Daniel here, and we're gonna install this HVAC system today. This homeowner needed a new system. They try to make this last forever. I'm impressed, it's lasted 15 years. But you know what? Today is a day that we gotta create a new one, and they're gonna have a comfortable home when we get done with this. Here's the system, check it out. We're about to do this. We'll show you what it looks like later. Another one, it's kind of like a before and after, but not quite as formative. Share more information about what you're doing, the process, and maybe you can marry it with the before and after video. So those are 3 ways you can start today creating content that will help you get customers and help with conversion and start seeing increased revenue. If you'd like to see more video tips like this, follow this page or visit us at redpalm.us and we'll love to help you.
Ready to grow your brand? Let Red Palm deliver results that matter.